What's up, people? In this video, we're going to take a look at the Central Pneumatic high-speed metal saw from Harbor Freight. Alright guys, so I went up to my local Harbor Freight and picked up this high-speed metal saw. They got it for $17.99. It claims some of the features are it cuts through sheet metal as thick as 16 gauge. You guys can read the box there. Also should be able to cut through rods, pipes, bars. It has a rugged die-cast aluminum body and has a rubber grip. The type of compressor you need is something 29 gallons or more to run this. Anything smaller, you're not going to get continuous usage out of. As stated on the box, the blades are sold separately, which I picked some of those up from Harbor Freight too. These I think were $5 or $7. They got the fine and they got the coarse blades there. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the body saw. Actually, when I got this, it was in a plastic bag and it was soaked in I'm assuming some type of protective oil to keep it from rusting. But it actually, when I first touched it, this rubber grip was pretty sticky. So I ended up wiping it down, let it dry out before I used it. But you can see by the little sticker there how it's soaked with oil. Not a huge deal. It comes with a guard that's already on the body saw, and it comes with an extra guard. It comes with also a couple Allen wrenches here. Take it out of the bag. Here's a couple Allen wrenches it comes with. Also comes with your manual and this ticket attached to it that says oil daily or warranty is void. The saw itself feels good in the hand. It's not too bad. Rubber grip. Feels more like a plastic, hard plastic than really rubber. The Allen tools here, they're used to put the blades in. You loosen these Allen screws on each end. And then that allows you to slide the blade into the saw like so, and then you just tighten them down. And that keeps the blade in place. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this body saw and I'm going to put it to the test, see how well it works. I got a piece of sheet metal here. It was the top half of my quarter panel that I didn't use. So I'm going to use that as a test piece and see how well this body saw cuts through it. And remember, always oil it. You can also pick up some air tool oil from Harbor Freight. Always put a couple drops of oil into your air tools before you use them. And always wear safety protection. I got gloves here, glasses, and hearing protection. Alright guys, that's a couple demonstrations of the body saw. Overall, I mean, if you're patient, take your time, it'll do the job. You can't force this. You gotta actually let it walk itself, or else it's gonna get jammed up and it won't work properly. I don't know if they sell better blades. Like I said, this is a fine blade that's in this. They also have coarse blades that they sell. Maybe that might have worked better, I'm not sure. But all in all, it's decent. Nothing to write home about, but like I said, if you take your time, it should get the job done. And this is pretty thick metal here. So it cut through it as long as you just take your time. Now, let me show you guys what I'm working with right now on the Impala and the reason why I went and bought this. Alright, so for those of you that follow me because of the Impala project, I haven't posted anything about it or uploaded any videos about it in a while. I have been currently still working on it. Right now, I'm actually installing a shock relocation kit on here that I got off eBay. Because as you guys know, I'm running airbags. And for better ride quality, I want to install shocks. First and foremost, this bolt-on kit that you get on eBay, not straightforward at all. I actually had to go on Amazon, get a Pro Comp mount, shock mount right there that I ran into the control arm. And this upper piece, this bracket right here, I actually had to cut up and to get it to fit. So, but the reason I bought the saw was because this bracket actually, when it bolts against the frame, it comes in contact with the inner fender here. So I had to cut that inner fender, and as you can see, I wanted to do like a radius type cut. And it worked. It wasn't perfect, but it worked. I'm gonna have to get back in there and grind it down a little bit just to round out this edge right here. But like I said, I had to fight with it a little bit. When it came to that turn right there, I didn't want to turn too well. The blade kept bending and stuff, so I had to take my time, get in there. And after a little while, I was able to get that cut done. So, like I said, it'll work. The saw will work, but you just got to be patient with it. Alright guys, that was a quick review and demonstration of the Harbor Freight body saw. Hope you guys liked it. And it was a quick update on the Impala project. I got other things going on with the project. I just haven't posted them. A lot of in-between stuff, bodywork, boring. I'm not going to post that. And I've been mocking up some other stuff. I'll bring you guys more videos, those that are subscribed because of the Impala project, I promise. My goal is to hopefully get this done for this summer. So there'll be more videos out there. Also, I want to thank all you guys. I got my 1,000 subscribers. I won't get demonetized now. I think I'm at like 1,200 subscribers now. So I should be good. Shouldn't have any problems there. So I'll be able to keep getting paid for these videos and buying stuff to review for you guys. So I'm going to get back to the other side so I can finish up the brackets and the shocks on this. And if you guys liked it, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing here, hit that subscription button. And I'll talk to you guys later.